So a lot of customers wonder, what do they really need for wireless coverage and capability? It really kind of depends on your use case. Just looking at the technology, there is certainly a technological difference in frequency bands and capabilities for 4G versus 5G. And 5G has the capability to do a lot faster throughput, a lot lower latency. It has the ability to support capacity at a much higher level over 4G. But the question is, to most users, do I need that? And it really boils down to your applications. If you're in a voice-centric world and voice is your primary application, you're not so much focused on data, then your existing DAS probably continues to serve you very well. But if you are in an environment where you want to leverage data on the wireless network more, then upgrading to 5G is going to be something that, and a DAS that's capable of supporting the full capability of 5G is something that you want to consider. Now, not all 5G is the same, so we talked about the different sizes in channels, and with a 20 megahertz channel on 5G, it's going to give you improved throughput over what you have in 4G. It's just not going to give you that 20 gigabit type of throughput that 5G is capable of. So even within the kind of the scope of data applications, you can look at it and try to determine within your organization, how much data are you really using? Or, if I'm using data, do I need, low latency to support my applications? Or are there location-based or machine-type sensors that I'm looking to use? If the answers to some of these questions are no, then maybe your existing DAS continues to serve you for a little while longer. The one thing that I will say, and I kind of caution this in the statement with a little while longer, is that eventually the technology will continue to advance and there will be a need for you to upgrade. So, as much as you can kind of cater this to what you need today, you should always have in your long-term plan, a migration path to newer DAS technology that utilizes, some of the newer frequency bands. And even if you don't use the capabilities, the fact that you're moving to those frequency bands are going to be key, because at some point the network operators may choose to kind of repurpose and retool, and those 4G frequency bands may be impacted. And the best way to protect yourself from that is to make sure that your solution is capable of using their 5G bands and really all of their bands, so as they repurposed, you're ready to use their services however they're offering them.